Qua đây con thấy.
Yeah, tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow.
It's afternoon.
Couple go. Alright, where are we going, honey? Ooh.
Fish. Want to get your feet?
Eat your fish, eat your feet.
Eat the fish.
Eat the fish or eat the feet? I don't know. Oh, could have got a birthday cake.
We get you to the big sea. Drives me insane.
The what?
That song from
I can't stand that song in Big C. Does your head in, because then you sing it all day. Go straight to AIS. Top up. Yes, home internet. 500, yep. That's unlimited. Is that right? Yeah. Cup, thank you. Alright, over here. Need to get you a number, sweet pea. Wait a sec.
What's that one at? True. I thought we got in.
Okay. Oh, which way do we go, honey?
So 400 sea baht, and then it automatically just rolls over. Glass.
Glass. Yeah. How much for that? Okay.
Song
Then you come back ก็ได้ you go shopping เหรอ
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, we go
just
shopping.
shopping.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Couple cup. Did I get a trolley? This is old chestnut.
These were 5,000 baht.
Not bad. Not bad.
It's cheap.
Is that it of the fork aisle? We still need to get ourselves a couple of bikes. Somebody cut. So 2,000. Yeah. I'll take both of them. This is perfect size.
Just get one of those. Yeah, I think.
That's a good one. Yeah. This one here, you can go up a little bit. Okay. So let's go over there. For kids.
We can use our helmet.
Oh yeah, that's okay.
Got
ourselves a couple of bikes. Why not? Get some exercise. What did we order? Number
Tom yum.
tom yum, fish balls,
Wow.
with noodles.
I just said Jim. Oh, look at that. That looks good too.
Whoa. Oh yeah. There we go. Bikes on the back. Pair of idiots in the back seat. Where are they going?
Oh, they're moving that big exchange thing, honey.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's gonna look sweet. Finally got removed.
Some other shop to go there.
That was interesting.
Always something going on.
Hello. I don't know how to ride a bike. Whee! Watch out for the corners.
Oh shit. One hand.
I know. Look.
Oh no. Not used to bikes.
I don't even know how to ride. Doing
It's a
pretty
bit
well.
scary. What have we done? Oh,
Oh, hello.
shit.
Oh, that cute dog.
Volleyball looks like fun.
I know. Should we go feed the squirrels?
Yeah. Where are they?
There's some over here.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Let's see if we can keep up with that bloke.
Yeah.
This is nice spot.
Oh, the squirrels.
Yeah.
Sound of these things is. Oh, let's park over here then. Oh, there's heaps of them, honey.
Yeah, I can see him.
Yeah. Wait. We could literally just pull the bikes up on the footpath.
I know.
Do you know what I mean? God, just put them up here. It's already here.
You're already here.
Hello.
Sawadi. Where's your friend? He went, ah.
Alright, one over here, honey. Oh, look, there's a few of them waiting for you. There's black one.
Oh. There's the other one.
Oh, they're all coming.
You're waiting? Come on. Let's see how close I can get.
Oh shit.
Come on.
Oh, there's a few.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's that same black one.
Hello. I can't get it ready for you. Hello. You should do it from.
Oh, look at them all.
Oh, there's one here.
Look, they're everywhere now.
I'm coming, my little munchkin. There you go. Are you coming this way? Where'd you go?
Tree rats.
Want a little cookie scat? Oh! I can see those ones coming on the tree.
Oh my god, they are too. Oh, that jump was huge.
Come on. Oh, there's 3 of you.
Oh, there's 4 of them.
Hello, oh, that was fast. What about you? Oh, I want to sniff my fingers instead.
Oh, there's so many of
They
them.
almost want to come here, I reckon.
Look at that. He leapt straight over
Hello.
just to come here.
You want one too? Are those one? You want one each? Yeah, have one each. You want one? Come on, come down here. And you?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you dropped it. That's yours.
Oh, look over there.
Yeah.
This one here.
His tail. Don't even grab it.
Oh, you can't do it.
He just flicked it.
He flicked his tail. Fucking tree rat.
Might as well just stand here.
Yeah, it's right there.
Hello. Hello. I should have put it in my mouth.
Allah.
No. Should I try? Oh, you wanted to jump on me? Come on. Oh.
Oh wow, they make noise.
Oh, he took it from you. Did he take it from you? He was fighting over it. This one eat. Wait, let me get near it.
Look how close I am.
Do it this way. Yeah. Because he knows I got food.
Look at that shot.
Is that yummy?
Oh my goodness, that is adorable.
You're going to stay here with us?
Look at that shot. We've got them all on there. Very cute little. I don't even know what to say about that thing.
Want a cracker?
English. Oh, I'm rich. No.
Can't see you.
Huh? Yeah, of course. All right, Mum. Bye-bye. Love you too. Bye-bye. That's
Sometimes
scary.
land in the water. Yeah.
All right, first time getting some from this place. Fish and chips. Actually looks really good. Bloody hell. It's a nice pizza. Wow. Oh, nice little pasta to go down with.
never seen anything like that. Look at those clouds, just like, ooh. Whoa, that was scary.
This is old chestnut.